In this video, we will discuss the 5 best car cleaning kits on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Armor All Premier Car Care Kit. Offering a handful of cleaning sprays and some basic tools, this Armor All kit strikes a balance between versatility and value. Though this bundle might be missing some of the specialty tools that come with the pricier kits, the included items are all high quality. One online reviewer mentioned that just a few splashes of the included wash and wax liquid are enough to shine up a dirty car. Another wrote, the interior cleaner worked very well on most surfaces and was able to lift set-in stains. The air freshener is the cherry on top of that professional-looking clean. While it has a full complement of sprays, it only comes with one microfiber pad, so you might want to get some extra clothes and brushes to round out your kit. Number 2. Chemical Guys Car Wash Kit. With this 16-piece kit from Chemical Guys, you'll have no trouble keeping your car in fantastic shape. Unlike some other kits, this one comes with a sturdy plastic bucket so you don't have to supply your own. The included tools and cleaners are high quality and perform well. According to one online reviewer, all the products in the kit are easy to use and all performed perfectly. While this kit is on the pricier side, its 4.7-star Amazon rating and over 13,700 reviews attest to its quality. Other reviewers particularly liked the foam cannon that easily sprayed soap all over the car, but noted that this kit lacked fine tools that could help with interior detailing. Number 3. Meguiar's Classic Wash. This 8-piece classic wash and wax kit has all the basics you'll need to clean the inside and outside of your vehicle, from cleaning the console to shining the wheels. We like that the included microfiber cloth is oversized, allowing you to flip to another corner of the cloth when one becomes too wet or dirty. We also like that the sprayers can pivot without unscrewing the cap. Online reviewers were pleased with the effectiveness of the cleaners and the overall quality of the products. While it may not include every tool needed for an in-depth cleaning, we'd have liked a tire brush. It offers excellent value for those seeking great results without breaking the bank. Plus, the similar Meguiar's hybrid wash wax system has been a GH Cleaning Award winner. Number 4. hmpll Car Detailing Brush Set. If you already have all the cleaning fluids you need, this detailing brush set might be the key to getting your car sparkling clean. Featuring several tools for removing dirt and dust from hard-to-reach places, this kit is designed to give a deep clean to the inside of your vehicle. It can also be used for your engine bay, wheels, rims, and exterior. We found that the detailing brushes are great at removing dust in the small crevices around a car's infotainment center, but the air vent brush can be a little tricky to line up with the vents. While it doesn't come with any cleaning fluids, it's a great, budget-friendly addition to any car lover kit. This way you can have a set of tools dedicated to cleaning your car instead of borrowing from around the house. Number 5. Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. We have tested Meguiar's products in the past, and we have been impressed with their performance. With several different cleaners like liquid wax and car shampoo, plus an assortment of tools, this kit can cover the majority of vehicle detailing needs. One online reviewer wrote that the cleaners work well and that the interior detailer provided an effective barrier against dust and smudges. Though most reviewers were impressed with this kit's cleaning power, some noted that the spray bottles can be leaky.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.